Now let's have a look at the tools and technologies that we are going to use in this course. First is Python. Obviously, we will be using the latest Python 3 version for this course. Next up is Django. This is the main hero of our course. So if you want to check out the latest version, just go to this website, that is pypy.org, and just type Django. So in this course, we are going to use the Django version 3.1.3. This is the latest Django version at the time of recording of this video. Next up is Django REST framework. This we are going to create the RESTful APIs for our course. So if you want to check the latest version of Django REST framework, just simply navigate to this website and search for Django REST framework and you will get the latest version. Next, we are going to use the text editor, that is PyCharm. I'll be using PyCharm in this course. You have two other options as well, that is VS Code or Atoms. Next up, we are going to use Vagrant. Now it is a powerful tool which is used to manage our virtual environment. We'll have a separate discussion on this in a separate video. So just for the reference, we are going to use Vagrant, and together with the Vagrant, we are going to use VirtualBox. On the VirtualBox, we will be hosting our guest operating system on which our Django application will run. So we will have a complete separate section and I'll show you how to install these tools and how to spin up a simple VirtualBox and can run a simple Django application. So these are the tools and technologies that we'll be using. Now in the further videos, let's continue with the installation part. Thanks.